I tried Orchid app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I downloaded the Orchid app, I thought I was just getting another service. But after 7 days of testing, the shocking truth is that Orchid isn't your typical the decentralized network that gives you total control over your privacy and data. On day 1, setup was straightforward. You don't even need an account, no email, no password, no identity verification. Just fund your account with crypto like Ethereum or USDC, and you're ready to connect. By day 2, I noticed how different it felt compared to regular fins. Instead of relying on one central provider, Orchid lets you choose from multiple bandwidth sellers across the world. You pay only for the data you use, and you can switch providers anytime. That level of freedom is something traditional VNs simply don't offer. Midweek, I tested the speed. I expected it to be slower than big-name VNs, but surprisingly, it held up well. Streaming, browsing, even light gaming felt smooth. The decentralized nature means there is no single server bottleneck. By day 5, I explored the crypto side. The app runs on Oxt, Orchid's native token, which you use to pay for bandwidth. It might sound complex, but the interface makes it easy. Top up your account, set your preferences, and you're done. After 7 days, the shocking truth became clear. Orchid isn't just about privacy. It's about freedom, digital, financial, and personal. You control your data, your payments, and your online presence. If you're tired of traditional VNs that log activity or limit your bandwidth, Orchid shows what real decentralization looks like. It's not perfect, but it's a glimpse into the future of private internet access, one where you, not a company, hold the keys.